the next video I'm going to talk about bases and alkalines. What's the difference between a base and an alkaline? Okay, basically a base is a metal oxide or a metal hydroxide. It must be a metal or a metal hydroxide. That is the general classification of a base. Now let's look at the hydroxide. Now if this hydroxide is soluble in water, means the hydroxide can dissolve in water, it will be given another name. The name given will be an alkaline. If it can't dissolve, it's just an insoluble base, a base that cannot dissolve in water. Now, an alkaline is a special group of base that can dissolve in water, and it's a special group of hydroxide, okay, it's metal hydroxide that can dissolve in water. So those is basically a commander group of base, a special elite group, alkalines. So alkalines can be classified. How do we know which are alkalines? Simple. All group 1 hydroxides are alkaline. Example, KOH, NaOH, they are found in group 1. Okay, it's a group 1, it's a hydroxide, it's an alkaline. Second category is aqueous ammonia. Aqueous ammonia or ammonium hydroxide. Okay, aqueous ammonia or ammonium hydroxide is also an alkaline. It's a standalone category. It is a non-metal, but it has a hydroxide. This one is a special kind of hydroxide. Last category is group 2. Now in group 2, only the last 4 hydroxides are alkalines, not the first 2. So starting from calcium hydroxide, which is also known as lime water, barium hydroxide, and 2 more. Okay, so you have 3 categories: group 1, NH4OH, and group 2. So to be a hydroxide, please remember to be an alkaline, you must have something OH, and you must be either in group 1, NH4 category, or in group 2, the last 4 category. It must be a hydroxide in order to be alkaline. Hydroxide and one of these 3 categories. So now, test. Okay, look at all the formulas I give you now. Okay, your job is simple. Pause the video now and circle the bases. Circle the bases. Okay, after you have circled the bases, I want you to put a hashtag on those that are alkaline, on the bases that are alkaline. Okay, so now what you do is you pause the video. If you are done, you carry on with the video. If you're not done, please pause the video. So if you're done, carry on. So I'm going to circle the bases now. So this is the spoiler part. This is a metal oxide. Metal oxide. Metal hydroxide is a base, yes. Metal hydroxide is a base. Metal hydroxide is a base, yes. Metal hydroxide. Metal hydroxide. Metal oxide is a base, yes. Yes. Metal hydroxide, yes. Okay, now look. This is non-metal oxide. It's a non-metal with an oxygen, so it's not a base. Now let's look at the ones that are alkaline. So if I'm looking at alkaline, I should be looking at all those with those with a hydroxide, and not those with oxygen. So all this is not, this is not, this is not, this is not. So now I'm left with the hydroxides. Okay, so now I have to go back. The alkaline is metal hydroxide, any of these 3 category, group 1, NH4, or last 4 in group 2. So let's find out. Nope, this is not in the 3 category. Yes, this is group 1, so I put a hashtag CuOH. CuOH. Nope, CuOH is not in group 2. CaOH is group 2, so this is an alkaline. This is a group 1, this is an alkaline. KOH is the alkaline. Is BaOH an alkaline? Okay, I have to check. BaOH, group 2, the last 4. So group 2, any of the last 4 Ba is there, it is an alkaline. So BaOH is an alkaline. So final answer, this is an alkaline, this is alkaline, this and this. Okay. Now this guy is in group 1, but why is he not alkaline? He's not alkaline because he's not OH. He's an oxide.